but you have to.
Hi, so we're gonna be doing the thing with the helium and like sucking it in and then talking. Okay, I've only done this once before, so yeah.
If I die, it's your fault.
Okay. She just told me if she dies, it's her fault. I mean, my fault.
Hi, Jade. Did it work? Yeah, it did.
Do it! I'm scared! Do it. It only lasts like a little bit because I didn't suck in that much. Take a huge breath.
Hello, Cassie.
It really did it.
It tastes disgusting.
Oh my
Hi,
god.
Jade.
It tastes disgusting.
I know it tastes disgusting. Oh my god, this is funny. Wait, I'm letting all the helium out.
You go. I'm gonna die. It's like smoking.
Here, go get the confetti balloons.
This is like smoking. Like I'm so.
So, yeah, we're really bored right now.
This is fun.
She's gonna go get another balloon. These are for my 16th birthday.
Ew!
What?
I just sat on a fly.
She just sat on a fly.
Away.
It's kind of weird because it's on my bed.
Okay, there you go. You work here. Oh my god, it tastes disgusting.
I know it tastes disgusting. Does it still work? Is it working?
Yeah.
Is my voice different?
I'm like doing crack.
Sounds like you're doing crack.
Okay, Cassie, I think you should calm down from that.
Oh, she's a meanie Buckins. Okay, anyways. Okay, do it.
I'm scared. Because it tastes disgusting.
I know it does.
I'm scared I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die. Okay. Just put it all down it and then just breathe in.
Stinks.
Okay. Jay, come on! It's not like you're doing drugs, girl. Come, do it.
I don't see the hole.
Just do it one time. Just
Okay.
Okay, I'm holding it closed.
Cassie.
Where's that hole?
Oh my god. Wait, don't do that. Let me do it on my own time.
Okay, but you have to squeeze the bag.
Did it work? It worked, guys. It worked.
Hello.
Hi, Jade.
Hi, Cassie.
Hi, YouTube. I sound like Fred. I finished.
We're gonna beat Fred in his own game.
Yeah, we're gonna be Fred in his own game.
Close that up. I'm not sipping from the same hole. Okay. This.
Okay, put it up to your mouth.
Don't squeeze.
I
I
haven't put
squeeze.
it into your mouth. Okay, do it.
Hello?
Talk.
Hello. I'm talking. Did it work?
It sounds like a little different.
That was a lot of air. That was a lot of air. Did it work?
No, I don't think so.
Well, because you're like shoving it in my
Cause I tried to hold this one called.
Don't.
You have to put the whole thing
Okay,
in your
I'll
mouth.
squeeze it.
Just.
Hello? Did it work?
No.
Oh my god, I just swallowed some crap stuff for nothing then. How come you can do it, but I can't?
I don't know. Oh my god. I can make it sound like it though.
It tastes really nasty. So,
Ew.
yeah. Helium is a bad taste in your mouth, but we're bored now, so bye.
We're gonna make more videos.